Why does small moments matter? It's something so, it's such an irrelevant and small concept because we're always looking for that big promotion to feel better. Um, Not just a promotion, a big win, a big announcement. And we're so waiting for these big things to change our lives that we tend to forget about the small little everyday small moments that that actually changes our life for that day or the week, depending on what you experience. It could be the cup of coffee in the morning. Just that wow moment. Um, Somebody sending you a WhatsApp that says, I love you. Huh? That can make you feel, wow, it changes your life for the day. And we forget about these small moments. They just evaporate in the day. It just happens. We're not thankful for it. We're waiting for that promotion or the new car. That will be the one that makes us really, really feel better. Paying attention to these small moments is extremely important in our lives because that is what happens. That's the everyday thing. We flow with what happens to us every day. So why not become aware of those little moments? And I'm not saying don't think about the big moments. Of course you must think about the big moments. But the small moments must be there. It must be noticeable. This was just a small moment because I really feel so different. Wow. I'm really feeling motivated. So let's start being aware of our small little moments and what a difference it actually makes to our lives. To just realize that smile of my grandchild. Wow, what a blessing. Thank you so much for the blessing. I feel brand new. Why don't we for this week be aware of our blessings, our little small moments, and why don't we say thank you for that small little moment? Just thank you. And sit in it for a moment and realize what we have. What is the everyday run of the mill? Why don't we also, for number 2, pay it forward? If we have a little moment that says, yes, man, that is wonderful. Ah, wow, I'm gonna, you know what I'm talking about. Or just that quiet 2-minute break when it's so busy, it makes you feel like a new person. Why not give somebody else the same feeling? Why not? Send a WhatsApp. Be kind to somebody. They might not notice it yet, but they have it. You notice it, you know it. So think about what was your special moment, either today or this week. Why not send it to me in the comments or send me a voice note? And let's share it. Let's celebrate our good moments. There's so many. And just remember, we're a kind channel. If you write anything nasty or horrible, I will remove you and your comment. And let's keep going.